Now back to our digital division understanding. So in the first slide, what we are trying to show is the paper pencil method of the binary division, which is pretty much follows the one we just saw for the decimal division. In this case, we have this dividend and divisor as an example, and we find out from the MSB, most significant bit position, till a value, till a series of bits, I would say, series of bits which represent a value more than the value represented by the divisor. So in this case, it is 1101, which is more than the divisor, because like 110 is less than 111 clearly, and 11 is less than 111 clearly, right? So first value series of bits we can pick up from the dividend from the MSB side is 1101, and then we multiply 1 with the divisor and get 111 to be subtracted from that pattern 1101, and then we bring down the next bit beside the subtraction result of the previous step, and if it is more than the divisor, we keep on multiplying, keep on identifying the quotient bit and do the same subtraction one at a time and stuff like that until we get a bit pattern which is less than the divisor. So in this case, my quotient is 111 and remainder is 100. So division result of the quotient and remainder with the has to be have a following relation: dividend equals quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Okay, so that has to be satisfied. So in strict math term, your dividend doesn't have to be like this way. Like your dividend could be quotient multiplied by divisor minus the remainder, right? So you can come up with a quotient which you are multiplying by the divisor and come up with a number which is more than your dividend, and your remainder is negative on that case, if assuming both divisor and dividends are positive. That's from the maths perspective, but from the digital circuit perspective, we always have this assumption in mind: your dividend must be computed in a way that we should be able to multiply quotient with the divisor and add the remainder, and that become your dividend. With the another note which is not mentioned here, that remainder, sign of the remainder has to be same as that of sign of the dividend.